These are back supported hanging leg raises, a great way to help train the lower part of the abs and also the hip flexors. If you can't perform them with those legs almost fully extended, don't worry, I'll get that to in a bit. Whether you're doing these with those legs almost fully extended or bending those knees up, the key here is pushing that butt forward. Like if you were pushing your tailbone forward and trying to almost curl that butt up into the air. This is going to help you target more of the lower abs instead of just training those hip flexors. The key here is control. So on that way down, make sure you're squeezing those abs and don't let those heels go past behind that body. Also, to help engage the abs a little bit more, as you're performing these, imagine like you're almost sucking in your stomach and trying to pull that belly button into your spine. This can help you feel those abs a little bit more, engaging those obliques. If it's your first time doing these, instead of having those legs straight, go up and bend at the knee, but still try to push that butt forward and curl that tailbone up. Whenever you're able to do 12 to 15 reps of these, start adding reps with those legs a little bit more extended. If you're able to do it with the legs a little bit more extended, like I'm showing here, go for failure, shooting about 12 to 15 reps, and on the consecutive sets, adding reps with those knees bent to complete the set after each failure with those legs extended. Also, to avoid shoulder and neck pain, make sure you're pushing those elbows down into that bench. That way your shoulders don't shrug up too much. Leave any comments or questions down below. When you know what to do, like and subscribe, please.